Alright, took me quite a bit of effort to get this old filter off right here. You can see from when I took it off, I managed to bend this side quite bad when I was taking off the jam nut with this socket and holding it from this side right here. So yeah, when reinstalling it, it's probably going to be pretty important that I grab it by this side. But when I first tried to do it, I was trying to grab it from the differential side, and I found out it was actually much easier to go through the drive shaft section. So I'll definitely show you guys when I reinstall everything, but until then I'm going to get this all new filter and washers on this hanger, and I'll slide under there and show you guys. After spending some time down here, I discovered the easiest way on getting to this location where the filter is held is not going with the first thing you see, which is going between this gas tank and differential over the subframe, but to actually reach over here around the axle and to this side right here. There's actually a pretty significant amount of room back here to work with, and once I get the filter back here, I'll show you. Alright, so I have my arm going up next to the drive shaft over the diff, and what you need right here for this line is going to be a 14. As you can see, I'm just tightening it about a quarter of a turn at a time. It's pretty tight down here. Sorry about the camera angles because I'm very limited. So I'll get back to you guys after I get this line all tightened up. Now that that line is tightened up a little bit, I can put one of these other bolts back. Alright, make sure you put both of the washers on the banjo bolt before sliding it back in.
Position the filter so it holds this.
Alright, now the filter is exactly where I need it to be. I can tighten down this bolt right here to hold the filter in position, and then tighten down this and double check if this one over here is tight. Alright, I think I got everything all tightened up. I get to finally start this car, well, at least prime the pump, and hope that the car starts. No, not the result I was expecting. Let's see if there's any leaks.
Moisture.
I don't know what happened, but I opened this to look at the EFI fuse and it was blown. I don't know what would cause this to go out. Coincidentally, there's another one sitting right here ready to go. So I'm gonna slide that in. Place this cap back on.
In case any fluid pops out. Alright.
All right, wasn't that either.